Now, the third way, actually, which is like something I believe most of the people do not know about it, okay? Now, go to the Google, right, and search for a photo, right, guys? So let's just go with puppy, right? All right, this is, I mean, actually the most interesting way, actually, I found, right, or discovered of making stickers on iPhone. Now, tap and hold, right, and drag a picture or a photo. Tap on some others, collect all of them together, right? And then out of Google, now head to the files. I've already made this, folder, so feel free to do so or not. Feel free, right, to do whatever you want. Release them, right? Now, the next step is drag, right, or scroll down with 2 fingers, right? Just like that, right? And then tap on the 3 dots available here. And then remove background. All right, so here we go with the new stickers on your device. Now let's tap and see, right? So it's all available, right? Now tap on this, okay? And then save image, okay? Now it's been saved. Let's see, go back to the photos, right? Now the sticker is available here. But let's check whether it is saved in the stickers panel available here. So it is not, right? But you can tap on the add plus icon available here, right? And then the sticker will be added to, right, to the stickers panel available on your device. So these are all the available and possible ways, guys, you have on your iPhone to make stickers. If you liked it, share with your friends, and see you next time. Bye.
Don't push back. Oh. Don't push